Hey, Jonathan here at TopSaw. I have a Stihl FS91r weed whacker or string trimmer, and this choke button got broken off, and it's actually kind of tricky to remove, or tricky to put a new one on. So I thought I'd just walk through it on this video and explain how I did it. So it's a FS91r weed eater choke button replacement. I got the new part at a Stihl dealer. There's actually 4 pieces to the part. One is the actual orange button. One is this little black housing, a teeny little bolt, and then there's a little spring as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is take off my air cleaner housing with the T27 Torx. So this is all off. And then got the old one off. Then from there, this little spring goes on first. So that little spring goes on first. Then the next thing is in this black housing here, what you have to do is you have to take that little button there. It goes in here and turns a little ways. So it has to be halfway in, and that's what's going to lock it from falling out. So I don't know if you can see it. So I have it turned halfway. Then I line that bolt up. So I can get it in there. And my hand's kind of in the way there. And I think that's it. It won't come out. And then you turn it. There it is. So that is against the spring. That's choke, and then as soon as it pops, it releases. So that's how you replace a choke button for FS91R. Not too bad if you know that little trick that the orange has to be halfway in the black. And that's what locks it in place. And then now you can choke it. And when as soon as you trigger it, pops off, and that thing's good to go. Alright, thanks for watching. Yeah, if you like these videos, hopefully they save you a little time. I usually don't make them unless I can't figure out how to do it. And then after I spend enough time working on it, I think, well, somebody else probably like to know this. Okay, thanks for watching.